The best soil for growing vegetables in containers is a high-quality potting mix specifically formulated for container gardening. Container gardening requires a soil mix that provides good drainage, aeration, and nutrient retention since the plants are confined to a limited space. Here are some key considerations when choosing the best soil for container vegetables. 1. Potting mix. Look for a commercial potting mix labelled as potting soil or container mix. These mixes are specifically designed for container gardening and usually contain a blend of ingredients like peat moss, perlite, vermiculite, and compost. 2. Good drainage. Proper drainage is crucial for container gardening. Ensure that the potting mix you choose has excellent drainage properties. Excess water can lead to root rot and other problems. 3. Aeration. Container plants need well-aerated soil to promote root health. Ingredients like perlite or vermiculite help maintain good soil structure and aeration. 4. Nutrient-rich. Look for a potting mix that includes organic matter, compost, or slow-release fertilizers to provide essential nutrients to your vegetables throughout the growing season. This reduces the need for frequent fertilization. 5. pH level. Most vegetables prefer a slightly acidic to neutral pH level, around 6.0 to 7.0. Check the pH level of your potting mix or adjust it if necessary with amendments like lime or sulfur. 6. Disease and pest control. Some potting mixes come with disease control measures. If you've had issues with diseases or pests in your container garden, consider a mix that offers additional protection. 7. Container size. The size of your containers matters. Larger containers can hold more soil, which means more nutrients and water holding capacity for your plants. Smaller containers may dry out more quickly and require more frequent watering and fertilization. 8. Organic options. If you prefer organic gardening, choose an organic potting mix that meets your vegetable growing needs. 9. Moisture retention. Ensure that the potting mix can retain adequate moisture to prevent the soil from drying out too quickly, especially in hot weather. Adding a moisture-retaining polymer or using mulch on the soil surface can help. 10. Regular maintenance. Keep in mind that container-grown vegetables may need more frequent watering and fertilization than those in traditional garden beds. Monitor the moisture levels and nutrient needs of your plants regularly. Thank you for joining us on this gardening journey today. We hope you found inspiration and valuable tips for your green oasis.